Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called Google Opinion Rewards, and we're going to show you whether it is worth your time, whether you can actually get paid out by PayPal. You can also discover how you can actually spend money in Google Play as well. So without further ado, let's jump over to the desktop and then we're going to go straight into the app as well. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end to find out about Google Opinion Rewards. Okay, so as you can see, we have come onto the Google Opinion Rewards website here. Your opinion is valuable. Earn rewards for helping us improve our products and services. Now that's basically what it is, guys. You'll get a short survey every now and again, and it'll be just a few questions, multiple choice questions. Just click, 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 and it's done. Only takes a few seconds to do each actual task, and then you do get rewarded quite handsomely for your time. And I'll show you that in the app very shortly. So as you can see here, the app is available in the App Store and Apple App Store, so iOS, and on Google Play, so Android. So it covers both of the sectors. And it says here, literally complete short surveys while standing in line, waiting for a subway. Get rewarded Google Play or PayPal credit for each one you complete. Topics include everything from opinion polls, hotel reviews, merchants satisfaction surveys. Will notify you when a survey is waiting. So let's just whiz over to Google Play here. Now it is available in many countries, but you'll have to obviously just check whether it is available in your country. Also, the PayPal only pays out in certain countries as well, so you do need to be aware of that. But if you look at the app in the Google Play Store, it's had over 2.5 million actual reviews done, and it says it's a 4-star rating, so pretty good. And if you scroll down to the bottom here, it says what's new, and it says now available in Colombia, Finland, Hungary, South Africa and Vietnam. So again, more countries are being added all the time here. So like I say, make sure you check out whether your country is accepted, and also whether it will pay out in PayPal or whether you have to use Google Play. But either way, you can use it to obviously redeem cash for certain things. So it's certainly well worth giving it a go. And like I say, it just takes a few seconds to actually do each survey. As you can see from the images here, you will then get notified about a new survey, and it normally expires fairly quickly, normally 24 hours. So you obviously need to take it very quickly. I would get you to actually put on the notifications on this app so that then you get notified with a ping, and you can then take the the survey straight away. Now the surveys are going to be something like this. So it's going to be which social media sites do you use, and literally you just have to click, 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 and then you'll get buttons, and you. So they're all multiple choices, and as you can see, this one is 1 question out of 4. So there's 4 questions in this particular survey. So very, very easy, very simple to do, and just takes a few seconds. Once you've actually done that, this is how you would then say thank you very much, and you would get rewarded. And sometimes it can be just 1 cent or 1 pence, depending which currency you're using, or it could be quite a lot more depending on which survey it is, and I'll prove that when I go inside the app shortly. So as you can see, very, very simple, very easy to do, and doesn't really take up any of your time. The one thing you will need to obviously do, you'll have to enable the data location. So in other words, Google will have to find out what your data, where you are in the world. So then what happens is, if you're going into the town, into stores, into things like that, you then would possibly get surveys that will pop up and say, have you just visited so-and-so, etc. So as you can see, by having it on, you will get more surveys that way. So let's dive into the app right now and see for ourselves exactly what it's all about. So I'm on my mobile now, and as you can see, this is the rewards app just here. So we just tap that, and as you can see, it opens up, and as you see, I've got a balance of £8.31. And obviously it says there's no survey available at this time. It also says, and be aware of this, it says part of your balance is expiring on the 26th of August. So in other words, if you don't actually use the balance, I think after a whole year, if you don't use it, then obviously it just expires and you can't actually use it there. I've also got a button here which says Play Store, and that is all I can actually get at the moment. I can't actually withdraw through PayPal, and I'm in the UK, so that's pretty unusual, I must admit, but if that's okay, what I've done, I've obviously used the Play Store. If you want to go and buy games, buy books, audio books, that sort of thing, you can do that, and that's what I've done. I've gone and bought with my earnings a couple of audio books that I wanted, so I've still obviously made the money and obviously been able to spend it. So if you click on the button up here, it says my reward history. So let's just show you how the reward history works. And as you can see, overall I've had nearly £28 in, so I've taken 202 surveys. And as you can see here, they don't come around. This is one of the downfalls of the Google Opinion Rewards app, is it doesn't actually, you won't get surveys every single day like you do on other sites. But as you can see, like I say, the one on here, March the 3rd, I actually got 72 pence for a survey. So that's a pretty good on the survey count. But as you can see here, 15, 14, 10, 18, 19, 24, 20. So when you actually do the surveys and you actually get them, you do get rewarded quite well. But the problem is it just doesn't have enough surveys here. Like I say, I'm probably getting about one a week, roughly, maybe a little bit more. But also, it will vary from country to country, and also as to whether you go out a lot. If you're in a major city and you're out and about all the time, and your phone is pinging its location, then there's a possibility you're going to get more surveys than obviously what I do. I obviously live in a small town, and obviously I only go into town very, very infrequently, and obviously I work from home, so I don't really go anywhere. But I still managed to obviously get the near £28. Just by really doing absolutely nothing, guys. And that's the thing, you can't expect to obviously earn a living with this app, but it will give you a few extra pounds that you can actually go and then actually spend in the Google Play Store by just literally clicking the thing, and then you can obviously go and do whatever you like. So you've got apps, games, TV, movies, books. So another thing that obviously you've got here, you've got share with friends. Now normally with a lot of these apps and that, you will then get rewarded for this, but it doesn't look as if you do, guys. You can just share, and it says share now, and obviously you've got the link there, but the link just basically says share. It doesn't give an individual link, like an affiliate link or anything. So yes, you can share it, but it doesn't really benefit you to share it, and I think that's Google really needs to maybe look into that. But again, they don't really make their money through that because there's no subscription, so they really are only going to get the money from the reward people that obviously want all the surveys done. But definitely check out Google Opinion Rewards. It's worth a few pound every single month. And like I say, it may be worth more where you are, especially if you're in a big town or city and obviously going out a lot. Then you're going to get probably more surveys. To start editing the video, and I suddenly realised I had a notification. As you can see, I've got one notification on my rewards, so I'm going to actually go through exactly what it would be like to actually take a survey, so you can see it live. So we just click that. It says new survey available, so I'll just click on that, and it obviously says about all the different things you need to actually okay. It says here the survey will ask questions about YouTube videos. So as you can see, you've had this video recommended to you before on YouTube, and I put yes, I have, and then I have to select an answer. Extremely confident, and select an answer. It says how much you want this video to be recommended to you next time you visit YouTube. I said a moderate amount, and then done. And that's it. You're done. It's whirring round, and boom. I've received 38 pence, that short survey, and then you just press close and bang, it's gone into my credit balance there. So great that we've just obviously got that in, so hopefully that gives you more indication of how quick and easy it is to actually earn money with Google Opinion Rewards. Okay, trust you found that useful, interesting. If you did, obviously smash up the like button for us. Now, if you're looking for legit ways to make money online, there's a whole playlist here of my top 6 videos, top 6 companies of where I make money online, and they're all proven, and got payouts with all of them. So make sure you check out that playlist there. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today, and we will see you on the next video.